Well, hey there, folks. As you can see, we got some rain coming down up here in northern Nevada today. I actually drove into Reno today to get some new wheels put on the wife's car. It was a nice sunny day sitting there at the tire store, and all of a sudden the sky opened up. There was lightning, there was hail. All kinds of rain was coming down. Lasted 15 or 20 minutes and it all stopped. Well, I guess it made it our way. It's raining up here now. It's been pretty wet this year. We've had a wet winter, and ooh, there's the thunder. I'm gonna have to go in there and unplug my CB antenna. I don't want lightning striking that. But yeah, we've had quite a bit of precipitation this year. It's good though; it needs it. All right, folks, be safe out there.